Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make your Instagram profile to private account. So if you just need to be insecure about your public profile, you just need to make it as private account. You can just switch to the private account directly on your Instagram by using this simple step from your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change your profile to the private account on your Instagram from your computer. So actually, if your account is actually on the public account, this is my another profile. You can see the post. I can just view the post and also like. So if you just need to be as safe and if you feel insecure, if you just need to put it on the private account, just open this account, click on the status option, then you will see an option called setting. Click this. Then now you will have a lot of options here. You just need to click on the account privacy, and here you can just read the things that if you just turn to the private account, the photos and videos will not be shown in any Google search result and also in Instagram. So only if they follow you, your post can be seen. So the another disadvantage was your post reach will be go low because it will show only for your followers. So I just going to turn this on. So switch to the private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, and it won't change who can message and tag, mention, and whatever that it is needed. Just click on switch to private. Now my account has been switched to the private, so I just going to refresh this account so I can see how it's going to be changed. You can see this account actually is on private and the followers only can see the photos and videos. This is how you just switch to the private account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.